So I played with the upper bound. I took the 50, and 1600 times 50 is 80,000 BTU. And good insulation house requires only 10% loss. So I have updated over the years my insulation, based on the current code under my attic. So I took only 10% loss, and I multiplied 80,000 BTU by 0.9. So my requirement was 72,000 BTU. This is the output needed for my furnace, 72,000 BTU. And I was looking at Lennox different models. So this thing is a 70 series model. This is the 80 series model, and they have a various BTUs listed on their website. So heat output for SL280 UH070V was 66,000 BTU, and I multiplied by 0.8